If you want to know the 5 key foundations of effective SEO content, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today in lecture 28, we will delve into the 5 crucial pillars on which SEO content writing stands. These pillars form the backbone of creating content that not only ranks high but also resonates with your audience. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First we have keywords and LSI keywords. Keywords serve as the foundation of SEO content. To create effective content, begin by researching and selecting the most relevant keyword for your topic. Dive into latent semantic indexing. LSI keywords, they play a crucial role in providing context to your content. For example, if your topic revolves around healthy recipes, incorporating LSI keywords like nutritious meals and balanced diet can significantly enrich the content. Next we have content length. Determining the ideal content length for your subject matters is essential. Longer content is not always better. What truly matters is relevance and value. Recognize how content length directly impacts user engagement and SEO performance. As an example, for a quick product description, being concise and to the point often works better than the lengthy explanations. Got it? Next we have internal and external links. Properly placed internal links can guide users seamlessly through your website, improving navigation. External links can enhance your content's credibility and provide valuable resources to your audience. Maintain a well-balanced approach to linking. Avoid overwhelming your content with excessive links that could distract readers, right? Consider this example in a blog discussing digital marketing. Strategically placing an internal link to the related post on effective SEO strategies can encourage users to explore more. Got it? Now, headings count and H1, H2 hierarchy. Well-structured headings significantly contribute to the readability and organization of your content. Understanding the importance of the H1, H2 heading hierarchy is crucial for SEO. Headings serve as signposts for both search engines and readers, helping them navigate and comprehend your content effectively. As an illustration, using an H1 heading like Top 10 Travel Destination in 2023 followed by H2 subheadings for each destination can create a clear and organized structure in your travel blog. Next we have media count, images and videos. Integrating visual content such as images and videos can enhance user engagement and the overall appeal of your content. Learn how multimedia elements influence SEO rankings and optimize them to ensure your web pages load swiftly. For instance, including high quality images showcasing product features can significantly enhance the appeal and effectiveness of an e-commerce product page. I want to mention here that these topics will be discussed in our upcoming lectures, so stay tuned. In conclusion, we can say that by mastering these 5 pillars, you will create SEO content that is informative and optimized. Achieve a balance that both search engines and users appreciate. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will explore advanced SEO content writing techniques for maximizing your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 28, where we explored what are the 5 foundations of an effective SEO content. If you are looking for professional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.